Yo, yo, what up? Let's play some racing. Oh, you
hey
guys are
guys,
going
Hawkztal0n
down.
here. We're gonna do some racing today.
Welcome to the deluxe premium race. We got the Bumblebee here, and this gay-looking whoever's in the middle, and a blue Lamborghini on the side.
Yo, man, I'm the black one.
Whoever's the black and that
I'm the
was
black one.
racist. But let's get this race started. Woo! Yeah.
I have the advantage.
I'll try to beat you out.
Yeah.
Oh, what the? What?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That was such crap. Am I? Oh yeah, I'm coming for you guys.
I love how it's so far ahead of y'all.
You know what, Brayden? Okay, no one needs your criticism.
Yeah, your criticism is so freaking annoying.
Chill, bro. Nitrous isn't even nitrous. It's just like sparks coming out of your top.
I know,
don't even go
I
back
know.
there.
That happened.
This is so much better than GTA racing. Oh my god.
No! Get away!
I'm
Get
coming for
away!
you. Oh wait, you do go kind of faster. I just noticed. So I'm coming for you, Reno.
I'm on top of
There's
the
a helicopter
world.
after Reynolds. Hope your tires get shot out.
No! Get away! No! No! No!
Haha, what's up, baby?
Yeet!
Oh, I'm crashing all over the place, but I don't care.
Dang.
Oh, I should have never did that. Come on, go, 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 go. I want to win this one. I want to win this one.
Yeet!
Yeah, what's up?
I just tapped the
Oh,
brake.
what's up? What's up?
I was so close!
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah, Brayden!
No!
Ooh! Dude! Oh my god!
Oh, you jerk. You know what? Okay.
Alright, what race should we
I
do?
just did that.
What race should we do?
Let's do... I like wrong one. Oh... This one.
Oh my god!
Whee!
Oh god.
Which one? Open road, return to
Get him, Hawk.
one.
Get
No,
Get him,
I
Hawk.
want to do return.
Get him, Hawk. Juggle him. He's juggling me.
Hmm? I'm scared. I'm scared, Reynolds.
That ain't fair! I got nothing!
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
You're
No,
juggling
no,
Hawk in the
no,
closet.
no.
That's you, that's you. Where's the
Can you
date?
hear me? I need to stay on the line.
Stop!
Oh, y'all gonna die.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm trying to win. Give me a
Alright!
couple ways. A
Welcome
to
to
B.
the Welcome to the NOG racing! We gotta say, why the fuck do we have the same
NOG?
colors again?
A to B. I'm black.
I
We got
am
the
yellow
same
then.
colors.
No, I'm
Oh,
black.
no, I'm blue. I'm
I
blue.
got yellow! I got yellow! Bye! Have a great time!
That's not what you say when you lose again.
Shut up! Shut up, you little biatch!
Oh god, did I hate this car in the rain?
I know they're so slimy.
Oh,
Oh my god, dude. You can't drift, it's raining.
Dude,
Yeah,
that's, you drift in the rain. That's what it's all about.
Oh god.
It's easier to drift in rain.
Hawk is good.
Hello.
Hawk is
Oh my god, dude. This is nitrous. That's the only nitro. That's the only reason I don't like it. Have I been calling it nitrous the whole time? Whoops.
Oh my god.
Well, wait, can you get out of cars and then go in a different one?
No.
Oh.
Oh my god. No! Come on.
No!
Oh my god.
This is the worst race I've ever
I
done.
was like, I will let you go that way.
Oh my god, dude, this race is so
Holy crap.
annoying.
My bad.
Someone just crashed, I saw it on the map.
Really?
Yes.
Freaking Hawk's gonna catch up. Oh my god.
Yeah, once Hawk catch up, you know something's gonna go down. I'm gonna go to SpongeBob's house, get
Get out of my way, lamppost.
and then put it all over you. Not in a gay way.
Can't wait to see your video on YouTube. It's gonna look
Who?
weird.
Who,
You?
mine?
Yeah. Like I
Why?
get to see your side of the gameplay.
You know what? Shut up.
It's no, it's cool, it's cool.
Come on. I'm coming for you, Brayden.
Never. Hey.
Yeet.
Oh, you can't control this bridge.
Oh.
Oh, Brayden's such a dick.
What do you do?
He just like pushed my car.
He spun you out or something?
I'm still in front of him.
Oh no.
My car's smoking. My car's smoking. No, stop, Brayden, stop. You forced it, Brayden. Stop it.
Oh.
Karma.
God.
Karma.
Oh, no nitrous.
Oh yeah, I forgot we can use our hacks. I completely forgot we can use our hacks.
No, I don't want to lose again.
Brayden,
No.
is you mad or
I
not?
hate
Hey,
because I
guys.
crashed.
Don't move any
crap.
further.
Oh my god, dude, he just wrecked my vehicle.
I know what to do. I know
How'd
what to
that
do.
happen?
Oh, I thought I beat you. I was like, dude.
My
Nice.
God.
I still beat you, Brayden. Brayden must be angry. He's gonna rage at us. I hated that race. Let's not do that again.
Alright. Hey. Man, you can hit me the first time.
You know what? Get juggled. Juggled.
Whoa.
Juggled.
Douchebag.
No, I'm done. Bye.
Wait, where's my pump action grenade launcher?
Stop!
No.
Yeah, that's how it feels, right? Yeah, karma.
I did nothing wrong! I lost! Y'all should give me some respect!
Karma.
Oh, that's funny.
That is actually really fun.
Alright, welcome to the Grand
I'm blue.
Lux Racing
Grand
Tournament.
Prix.
We got
This is
this.
from, no, this is from Mario Kart. We are in Grand Prix,
We have
okay?
the weirdest setup here. We got 3 cars, 2 twins and 1 that's blue. Okay, who are the twins? Who are the twins?
Whoever's on the right or whoever's on the
I'm a
left,
twin.
let's sandwich
I'm
the
a
middle.
twin. I'm a
Sandwich
twin.
or no?
Yeet.
He's nitrous.
He's a nitrous.
Back
you
in
wait.
first place.
He's a nitrous. Okay.
Someone's catching up.
Let's see some first person action.
Last. No. Oh, he has a stunt jump. I want to go do that. If we go back around doing the stunt jump.
No, this is a checkpoint.
Ah, twin!
Bye.
Had a gay time.
Have a gay time, what? Dude,
Have a
that
gay
track
time.
did just like turn. Wait till you see my video, Reynolds. You're gonna be like, what?
I know he was doing it on mine a little bit.
Like, oh my god.
Like, dude, the freaking car. Alright, I can't play first person right now.
Man. Oh, yeah,
I'm all
I
over the
forgot to tell you
road.
guys, I will be putting Reynolds' YouTube channel link in the description below.
Yeah, I'll do that too. Be like, Hawk, even though my 9 subscribers check you out.
I'm gonna hack
Whoa.
you so hard. No
That was a
homo.
fail.
I might actually win this one.
Aw, man, I wasn't gonna cheat. I wasn't gonna cheat.
Let's go.
Get out of here. They don't give you that many nitros in this.
I know.
I like that.
I don't. Now Braden's winning.
Yeah, I finally get to win a round.
You're so mean. I'm gonna hack you.
Okay.
I wish you could hack people's cars so you made them stop.
Okay, now that would be too OP.
Yeah.
That'd be hilarious. Braden's about to cross the finish line. I'm right behind. Stop his car. At night.
I can't finish line. That's mine. It's mine. No, it's mine.
I'm gonna get third place this time. I'm gonna feel like Braden. I'm gonna cry. If I lose, I cry. Just so you guys know. Yeah, I don't cry.
Poop.
I like this race.
Hey, friend.
The only thing I didn't like was the,
Yeah.
the only thing I
I'm gonna
didn't
do a
like
Braden. I'm gonna do a
was,
Braden.
no thing.
Oh, railroaded. That one's fun. It's a motorcycle race.
Oh, I never played it.
Ouch. Oh, ow. Ow.
Oh.
Stop doing that to Lennon.
Hey, Ow.
Yeah, what's up?
Ow. I have no ammo.
This gun is so OP. Oh my god, what is wrong with you? When you threw a
You're
grenade at
freaking
me.
invincible.
You threw a grenade at me. Someone's calling 911.
I'm just like, grenade.
I love how we're losing ammo.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you guys were invisible for a second.
Isaiah is a girl.
So are
Ha,
you.
Gabe. Wait, this is a motorcycle? Oh, I'm gonna fail
Oh,
so
we're all
hard.
girls.
Oh my
Except
God.
on my screen, I look like
Wait.
Aiden.
Kawaii. Hawk is kawaii.
Kawaii.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
Kawaii. Oh,
Wow,
baby.
Brandon uses nitro exactly the time. Ha! Karma! Oh my god, I fell.
I just hit you. Woo!
Yo, these trains are mad annoying. You never see these trains here on the actual campaign.
You're just mad.
I am.
That
Oh my god.
Dude, that's
What?
like the worst time your controller can freaking disconnect. Oh my god, like it ran out of battery.
I can't even get that jump, bro.
Oh my god. I lost this one, I don't even care.
I'm gone.
I
I'm
can't believe
gonna
Brady did this
win.
again. I want to
Oh
replay
my-
on this.
God. I'm stuck. Oh my god.
Respawn.
I can't.
Just hold triangle. I even have to check my mini-map. That's how far I am. I have times to where I can stop
Freaking
and look at my
controller.
mini-map.
Disconnected because I forgot. Alright, I'm back.
No,
Ooh.
no, no, no,
Freaking god.
That's what I'm rating. Just being scared. You
What the
thought,
heck?
bro?
That was a glitch.
Brady,
That was
you
a-
thought you were gonna raise that
Oh, there
bridge
was a
on me.
rivet right here. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god, nitrous, no. Okay. Well, you can stop your nitrous and then start it back up again.
Holy crap,
I
this
just
is
did
such a crappy race. Yeah, your nitro stops if you hit your brakes.
It's not crappy, it's just that your remote died.
Yeah, I love this race. This is my favorite race out of the whole Watch Dogs. My freaking controller will disconnect.
happy.
I'm coming after you, Brady.
No.
Oh my, why wouldn't it break? I fell like 4 times already.
Yeah, you thought, bro.
I didn't think I knew. Ow!
Oh!
What happened?
Brayden crashed into something, and now he's behind.
Oh my god.
Brayden, cut it out.
You missed the checkpoint.
No, I didn't. Oh wait, yeah, I did. What? What? Dude, that's so good. I actually missed the checkpoint. Brayden's gonna win.
Are you okay? Oh my god, man, I'm gonna make it. Can I make it? No, I can't.
Run into me! Come here, brother! Isaiah!
Wow.
I can drive all the way there and buy something right now. That's how far away you are.
Shut up.
I can go back there and buy something and make it back in time.
Oh wow.
Okay, so
That was like the best race ever.
I'm gonna go for a replay. Ow!
Isaiah! Come here! I want to do the glitch where I shoot your engine.
Hey guys,
Remember?
I'm here even though
Yeah,
the
let me
race
shoot
is
your
fading
engine.
away. Oh yeah.
Me and
Oh, yeah.
Isaiah are about to do a glitch. Me and him are about to do a glitch. Stop. Okay. You got white hair, Hawk.
Your mom has white hair.
You got wall hard.
Isaiah is so kawaii. Isaiah, you're so kawaii.
Yeah.
What?
Swimming is so terrible in this game. You can't even freaking do anything.
Whoa, dude, why'd you trigger a blackout? That was such a...
Cause I'm a ball.
You know what? You know what? There's too much power in this city.
Oh my god!
Mini Coopers.
Okay, who's the twins? Who are the twins? Who are the twins?
Whoa, we're in a different car.
One's maroon and one looks like it's so
These
red it's
cars
orange.
suck, though.
Who are the twins?
These are very hard
I'm
to
the middle.
control.
I'm the middle. I'm the middle. Who is that already ramming? Is that Hawk?
Yeah.
Me and Hawk have been twins 2 times this whole game. Really?
Whoa, whoa.
See what nitrous does to me. Nitro does to me.
Hey,
Worst moment to use your nitrous was right there. I might actually lose this one.
oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
I
Look
like
who
how Watch Dogs gives you different routes, too.
Yeah. Sidewalk racing.
Shut up.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Oh, no.
See you later.
You know what,
I'm
Reynolds?
so losing.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna
god.
lose.
No. Never. Oh, you're
Whoa,
douchebag.
what the?
I crashed
Who
into
triggered
it.
that?
No, I crashed into a power box.
Haha. Dang it, stupid chairs.
I'm catching up! Holy crap, this is real! This just got real between me and Hawk.
Brayden, hop off.
Oh my god. Oh, it's gone.
Why did you crash into those? No!
That sucks.
I will not lose this race.
Your blackout always messes me up. I hope you know that.
I want to ram the crap out of Hawk.
You have no power.
I have lots of powers. Hawk, you're just gonna freaking lose going that round.
Dude, I am gonna lose. I hate you, Nitro.
Oh yeah.
If
Oh
one of you see
yeah,
my
I
car,
win with
you
the
guys
Mini
gonna...
Cooper.
Oh, too late, can't see it. Oh, dude, my car's like white and blue. Oh, never mind, it's blue.
Oh, hello, finish line. My freaking front of my
I'm not
car
getting a
looks
dip
so
on
freaking
Hawkztal.
retarded.
I'm not getting a dip on Hawkztal.
Ouch.
He can do it, na 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 boo boo.
Oh yeah.
Woo, yeah.
What's good? What's up? That's the
Down
only
into the
reason.
cup.
I'm not even gonna vote that time.
My time to escape.
Stop doing that. Those grenades.
Dodging everything. Ow!
You're such a good
911,
guy.
get your emergency, please.
Some guy's tearing shit up out here. He's got a gun. Send the police now. Move in.
Chill out.
I'm a survivor. I'm taking a train. I'm getting out of here.
Let me in here. I will be safe and you won't.
I think grenades take way too long to explode.
Alright guys,
Yeah.
it's our last race.
And then what?
Then we'll do something else. And then I'm done
Yeah.
recording racing.
Oh, not the Porsche.
Got it. Good.
A to B, got it? Good.
Appreciated, but optional.
Oh my god, my freaking headset wires connected somehow to my charger for my controller.
I'm the black one.
I think I'm the middle. I'm the gray. Silver.
Let's go.
I say we double team on Hawk and just like ram the crap out of it. Oh yeah, hit this ramp with Nitro. Let's go. Woo! Oh!
Oh man, did you freaking
Yeah,
activate?
Reynolds. Yeah, Reynolds.
Oh dude.
Yeah, Reynolds.
You made me freaking not go over the bridge. I freaking lost this race.
Haha.
Wow.
Now I'm coming out for you, Brayden. Reynolds.
Oh, whatever. I'll catch up with you guys. I got the nitrous.
These Braydens ain't loyal.
I was 15 seconds behind cause y'all.
These
Yeah.
Braydens ain't loyal.
Y'all,
These
y'all,
Braydens loyal.
Still 15 seconds behind.
Rayleigh on! Rayleigh has been on!
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I was so about to get to Brayden.
Are you kidding? A freaking trash can. I cannot run it over.
You can't break trees in this game.
That is retarded.
Hawk is like so trying to get me, but he keeps on
I'm gonna
failing.
freaking kill you, Brayden. Watch.
Can you imagine if he was sitting next to him right now?
Did you just do that?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm catching up to you guys.
I don't even see you anymore, Reynolds.
I'm 9 seconds
Just keep like
behind.
I see you. I don't see you anymore.
Because freaking Hawk pushed me off the thing to where I couldn't go under the bridge.
Hey, Brayden.
What are you? Whoa. You got something.
Oh! Dude, I'm gonna kill you.
What'd he do?
I made him run into this convoy.
Oh,
gonna kill you,
I see
baby.
Hawk. I see Hawk.
Byron. Oh crap. No!
Hello, Hawk.
I'm gonna kill you, Reynolds.
You're gonna kill everyone.
I'm gonna kill both of you.
Oh no.
I cannot wait for decryption.
Yep.
Let's go. I'm winning.
Oh my god, I'm out of freaking bounds.
Oh, dude, you can't go upstairs. Oh, okay. Are you kidding? I've done it before.
Oh my god, it's
The best place to use nitros is like on straight roads like this, Reynolds. You see, so they just pass you just like that.
Ooh.
Whoa! Dude, what was that thing in the middle? I didn't see that. Oh crap, I just hit a CPOS box.
What? What's wrong with this bridge?
Whoa, what the heck? What? Oh my god!
What's wrong with the bridge? Stop hitting the bridge, you
Dude, we broke the
douchebag.
bridge!
Y'all are even.
Oh my god.
Dude, we broke the bridge, dude!
Oh my god. That's messed up.
We broke the bridge!
Dude, you're so fat, you broke the freaking bridge.
Y'all didn't even make it.
Because you broke the
We broke the
bridge.
bridge!
Alright, yeah, that's it of my
I broke the bridge
video.
because I'm the
See
one
you
who
guys
put
later.
it down.
What are we doing?